Hello friends. Benefits of working on yourself, self-improvement. This is a complete, deep, and life-changing explanation. Chapter 1. The real meaning of working on yourself. Working on yourself is not just about reading books, exercising, or watching motivational videos. It means taking full responsibility for your own life. Working on yourself includes accepting your weaknesses, learning from your mistakes, improving your thoughts, habits, and behavior, learning new skills, becoming emotionally stronger, reaching your highest potential. Real growth begins the day you stop trying to change others and start focusing on your own improvement. The biggest enemy and the biggest friend live inside you, not outside. Chapter 2. Beginning of self-awareness. The first thing that awakens during self-improvement is self-awareness. You begin to understand how you think, which habits pull you backward, what triggers your stress or anger, what gives you energy, which people are good for your life, your fears, desires, and goals. This awareness completely changes the map of your life. When you understand your own mind, your emotions stop being controlled by the outside world. You take control of your reactions, your feelings, and your decisions. Chapter 3. Unshakable confidence. One of the biggest benefits of working on yourself is a massive rise in confidence. You no longer compare yourself with others. Your only competition becomes yourself from yesterday. As you build new habits, learn new skills, and develop discipline, you start discovering your hidden abilities. Slowly, the fear of people's opinions disappears. You begin to feel light, powerful, and alive, as if a new light has entered your life. Chapter 4. The birth of mental peace. Self-improvement does not just bring success, it brings deep mental peace. When you focus on improving yourself, negativity naturally reduces. Your mind remains productive. Useless worries disappear. Overthinking gets weaker. You stop reacting to every situation. Your mind becomes calmer than ever before. You no longer depend on the outside world for peace. Your peace starts coming from within. Chapter 5. Emotional strength. Working on yourself makes you emotionally strong. Emotional strength means getting hurt less, not taking everything personally, not breaking down easily, making wiser decisions, handling relationships with maturity, facing challenges without fear. A self-aware person doesn't panic when a problem arrives. They ask, "What is this trying to teach me?" This mindset becomes their greatest power. Chapter 6. Real change comes from habits. Self-work is incomplete without habit transformation. Your habits create your future. Your daily routine shows the direction of your life. When habits change, life changes. Some powerful habits in self-improvement. Waking up early, giving time to reading, learning, staying away from social media distractions, exercising regularly, positive self-talk, controlling anger, saving and managing money, practicing gratitude. Small habits create a big future. Chapter 7. Independence, true freedom. The most important result of self-work is independence. When you work on yourself, emotional independence grows. Financial independence strengthens. Decision-making becomes powerful. Dependency on others reduces. You take responsibility for your happiness, goals, and progress. You stop waiting for others to change. You stop living on the support of others. This is true freedom. Chapter 8. Better relationships. Self-improvement automatically improves relationships. Because you react less, you understand more, you express calmly, you don't take small things personally, you maintain emotional balance, you know when to speak and when to stay silent. You also recognize toxic people and learn to distance yourself from them peacefully. Chapter 9. Success becomes easier. For a person who works on themselves, success is not far. Because such a person is disciplined, has clear goals, has fewer distractions, keeps learning new skills, learns from every failure, has a strong work ethic. Nothing can stop a person who improves themselves every day. Chapter 10, Understanding the Value of Time. Self-work teaches you the true value of time. You start using time wisely, avoiding unnecessary conversations, reducing mobile addiction, managing your routine, focusing only on meaningful tasks. A person who respects time grows very fast in life. Chapter 11, Rise in Self-Respect. The most beautiful result of self-improvement is self-respect. When you work for your dreams, when you see yourself growing, when you become a stronger version of yourself, you start feeling proud of who you are. You begin to think, yes, I deserve a better life. I am capable. I am not weak. You stop tolerating disrespect. You recognize your own value. Chapter 12, End of Comparison. Comparison destroys happiness. But when you work on yourself, your focus shifts from others to your own growth. You grow a little every day. And that becomes your only competition. You feel inspired, not jealous. Chapter 13, A Secure Future. A person who keeps improving never remains behind. Because they keep learning new skills, keep updating themselves, keep adapting to situations. Real security is not money. It is your ability and growth. Chapter 14, Real Happiness. Self-work creates happiness that comes from within. This happiness comes from discipline, self-respect, personal growth, achievements, peace of mind. Improving yourself is the biggest source of true happiness. Chapter 15, Meaning and Purpose in Life. A self-improving person does not live aimlessly. Their life has direction, purpose, clarity, focus, energy. They become the creator of their own journey. Working on yourself is not a one-day project. It is a lifelong journey. A person who walks this path becomes strong, peaceful, capable, independent, and truly happy. Don't try to change the world. Change yourself, and the world will change on its own. Thanks.